Bro, this person doesn't exist. This voice never recorded. This whole performance generated from a single photo. Wait, did you catch that? The body movement, the expressions, the lips matching every single word. I'm sitting here like, okay, Hedra, relax. You're not taking my job that fast. Okay, real talk. If you've ever tried AI avatar tools before, you know the pain. Floating heads that talk like they're buffering, stiff, robotic, zero emotion, like they're reading a hostage note while trying not to blink. And you're sitting there like, I paid money for this? My PowerPoint animations have more personality. So here's where Hedra AI comes in and ruins everybody's expectations. This is Character 3, their new foundation model. And like, they forgot to make it look fake? I don't know what happened in that lab, but I'm not complaining. And this isn't some random startup nobody's heard of. A 16Z just dropped $32 million on this company. They've powered over 10 million videos already. So yeah, somebody important is paying attention. But here's what I really wanted to test. Can it handle singing? Because that's where AI usually falls apart, like my gym membership every February. Let me show you how this works. Step 1, upload any portrait photo, real face, AI face, anime character, cursed doodle you made at 2 a.m. Hedra doesn't judge. It's very accepting like that. Step 2, choose your voice. And here's where it gets crazy. Hedra plugged in ElevenLabs. That's over 5,000 voices in 70+ languages. You can even clone your own voice. Your friends will think you secretly became a voice actor overnight. Step 3, add your script or upload audio. Step 4, hit generate. Then watch this thing blink, nod, and emote like it just discovered consciousness. Honestly, a little too confident for something that lives on my browser. Look at the eyebrows, the mouth shapes, the body sway. This isn't a talking head, this is a performance. Now I know what you're thinking. This has to cost more than my rent, right? Actually, no. Free plan gives you 300 credits. No credit card needed. Paid starts at $10 a month for 1,000 credits with commercial rights. That's less than my monthly coffee addiction. Okay, fine, my weekly coffee addiction. Quick reality check, because I'm not here to sell you fairy tales. The good, best combo of lip sync plus body movement I've tested. The ElevenLabs integration means premium voice quality. Works on any image style. The not so good, some eye movements still feel slightly uncanny on hyper-realistic faces. Free tier is watermarked, and there's a 60-second max per video. But for creators, marketers, or anyone who hates being on camera, for the price, this is genuinely insane value. I'm not being dramatic. Okay, maybe a little dramatic, but mostly honest. All right, here's your homework. Yes, homework. Don't look at me like that. Go to Hedra, make a free account, upload a photo, generate something weird, try to break it, see what happens, then come back here and tell me in the comments if you weren't at least a little impressed, or roast me if it sucked. Either way, engagement is engagement. I won't be mad. I tested Hedra against 4 other avatar tools last month. One came surprisingly close. That comparison video's on screen now. Oh, and if you found this useful, you know what to do. I'm ElevenLabs. I find AI tools so you don't have to. Subscribe if you're into this stuff. We're literally just getting started. Peace.